It's a deal. It's a steal. It's sale of the fucking century.
Hey kids, hope you're all well. So we are back with a summer bargain. It's the ZX4000, less than £50 I got these for in the summer sales, so you still might be able to grab this nice little technical shoe. So let's crack open the box and take a look. So I did pick up a couple of pairs that grabbed me fancy in the sales, so really nice these. I think it's a nice, obviously it's a technical shoe. I just think the colours pop, sort of that lemon yellow. Really like the torsion symbol on the side of the shoe. Fantastic. What I would say about these is they have this like velvety white material. I've got these on a few other pairs. It is a dirt magnet, so don't wear these in the rain. Summer only for me, I think. Let's do a toe to tongue on these. So nice little detail on the lace jewel. Yeah, I like little things like that. ZX4000C. The torsion symbol again on the rear of the tongue. And the footbed as well. Some nice torsion detailing there. Say for £50 or less, you can't really go wrong with these. Let's sweep around to the back. Stitched Adidas on the heel tab and the trifoil on the back of the heel. Some lovely detailing. Let's have a look underneath. Of course, that's why I started out with the big torsion bar there, because they've got the torsion bar underneath. Really nice, you know, tread pattern as well. So there you go guys, just a little bit of a bargain. So if you like the look of these, go and grab them. Good for the price, say £50 or less. I will pop these on feet now. I did pick up another pair, so I'll chuck that on the next vid. But as always kids, yeah, take care of yourselves. Catch you next time. Always more on the way, yeah? Cheers.